is ENN 24 Breaking News. Hello, I'm Natalia. Our sales guy is in trouble because he forgot to bring along his presentation files. What can he do? Joe?
Hi Natalia. Remote access to file servers is available through the use of mobile devices with CACHATTO. CACHATTO is here to save the day. You can even edit files using CACHATTO Desktop. Joe, ENN, South Pole.
Thank you, Joe. Moving on, business people who are not able to receive urgent approval from their bosses experience a lot of trouble. What should they do, Joe?
For urgent decision-making and approvals, this request can be made through CACHATTO solutions. You won't even need to wait for your boss after a long vacation. Joe, Johannesburg.
Thank you, Joe. And finally, today, many companies are using cloud services such as Office 365 and Google Apps. However, many system administrators are concerned about the security of direct access to those services from employees' personal devices. What should they do, Joe?
Hi Natalia. Cloud services are securely accessible through CACHATTO. It provides safer, reliable, and secure cloud service access. Joe, Hawaii.
Thank you, Joe. CACHATTO sounds like an amazing solution. That's all for ENN 24 Breaking News. Have a great day.